What's up, y'all? It's your girl Body About to Rista, because I stay body in business, also known as Pivot Queen T, because I can pivot out of any situation. And today, y'all, I am headed to meet Lynn. But before I go meet Lynn, because we're going to go do some stuff today, Trina is just, we don't want her trying to work or anything or do any videos. We want her to just stay home and get some rest. So me and Lynn gonna have a day today together. So I want to go and get my fishing pole like I told y'all. But I just remember I went and got my blood work and stuff done at the spa the other day. I found out that my glucose is low, me and my daughter, because I just got my stuff done while she was getting it done. So that's why we feel like we feel like the flu-like symptoms. Our glucose is low. And I found out, just speaking for my sister, we don't eat breakfast. And I know it's not good, but I just don't like breakfast food. But I do feel sluggish. I always feel sluggish. So before I go meet Lynn, so I gotta hurry up because I know she's waiting on me. I'm coming to this gas station so I can try to get me a banana or something, y'all, so I can do the video and not feel how I feel. And I'm super excited because y'all know I need a fishing pole so I can really do what I need to do. Excuse me, do you have bananas? Bananas? Thank you. Oh, they got bananas. They looking at me like I'm a ghost or something. They look super green, so I'm gonna try to get the one that's the most yellow. So I want it to be ready to eat, because if it's not, it's gonna be nasty. I get this. I want a water. I'm gonna give me a electrolyte. I'm gonna grab me an electrolyte, and I'm gonna give me a water. I want something to eat, y'all. I'm hungry. Let me see if they got something here. But I don't eat everything, so what could I get? I'm gonna get some chips. I could get beef jerky, y'all. I like beef jerky. But why they gotta have all of these different things? I just want regular beef jerky. Let me try the chili cheese. Oh, sweet and tangy. I'll try these. Alright, y'all. So I got an electrolyte, I got a water, a banana, and a beef jerky. I'm here. There's so many cars here, y'all. This is it. This is it. This is it. There's so many people here, y'all. It's so big. It's gonna be so much stuff here for me to get. Oh my gosh, that's not where I'm supposed to go. Where do I park? I'm gonna park over here. Okay, y'all, we about to walk in. I just gotta send this email off. I want one of those golf carts so bad. Sportsman's Paradise. This is so cute, y'all. Hello. I want a fishing pole.
They're gonna be open.
Okay. I'm not about to be spending all my money in here because it already look like it's expensive. I'm gonna get me a little fishing pole that's good for me, and I want the one I know Trina talking about. She don't like the push ones, but y'all, I like the push one. That's the one. That's what I know how to fish with. I want a push one, whatever that is. Y'all tell me if I'm tripping, but I don't want this one. I don't want. When I gotta do this, I don't want to do that. And I want my fishing pole to already come together. I probably should have brought Trina with me, because Lynn, me and her both don't know what we doing. Okay, y'all, am I gonna need somebody to come help me? Oh shoot, I can't even buy it. I can like put a fishing pole together. Excuse me, where do I find the fishing poles that I just press the button? I don't want to do the ones that go around.
They're gonna be down here.
Okay.
So yeah, see the saw with the rod sticking up?
This one?
Yep, right here with the coolers.
Where it says saltwater?
Yeah, on the other side of this one.
Oh, so these are for the kids. I am, so thank you. Y'all, look at these. These are colorful, but these is the ones I'm gonna use. Do they have a oh, is this Tiffany blue? Oh no, it's not Tiffany blue. Okay, let's go back down here. Which one should I pick? Hey sis. No, I sent you the address. Where you at? The 1000. No, I sent you the same one. It's the same. I followed the same address. We're here. But where are you at?
I see you. Okay. I didn't see you. Oh, I was down here. I did not see you.
Hey sis.
Oh my god, your hair turned out so cute.
I love it. I'm keeping it, even for the show.
So you got this is your natural hair.
That's why I did it, because I wanted to match my natural hair.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Thank you, thank you. So I'm not Trina, so I'm not about to do the one that's like how she be doing this one. I want this one, like yours.
Oh,
What you think?
I can't really tell. So you said this is.
Well, I don't.
Oh, okay. This got the.
Yes, I just want to push it. I don't want to.
So do you
Should I
care
do-
about the? You don't care about the color in it then?
Should I do this one?
Oh yeah. Yep. Because it matches your dress.
I know, but it's just so. Is this one the same one though?
Oh wait. This is like a kid one or something.
Or should I do this one?
This don't look like the same.
It's pink though, and that's Trina color. I don't really. I could do this one.
The release.
Yep. Let's do this one. Okay. So I'm gonna get this. Does it already have the? I think this already have the thing in it, like yours.
This should look fancy. I can kind of see the. Oh yeah. They got it.
You got it in there?
Yep, you pull it out and you just put it right there. You ain't gotta do nothing else.
Yep, that's what we need. What else we supposed to be getting? Man, you don't know, huh?
No.
Okay.
Hey y'all,
Oh yeah, go ahead.
it's your girl Leah.
Period. Where they can find you at, sis?
Everywhere, Live and Breathe Stay Lit on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
All that.
Everywhere.
All that. Okay. I don't know what else I'm getting.
All right, so the only thing I got was the tackle box, but we don't really use.
Tackle box.
Oh, so that's all you need then.
Just this?
Yeah, you got gloves and everything already.
I think I got the wrong gloves. Where gloves at?
Probably somewhere around here.
But what about the weight? Remember she was saying something about our weight wasn't right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, she said some more weight.
I was trying to tell faster though. See what weight.
You know, I don't know nothing about fishing.
I know, that's why I said, I mean, I wish she could have came.
But these are some weights.
I see a lot of different weights, but like, which ones do we get?
No,
We're going fishing.
I mean, it doesn't matter. That's kind of a heavy weight.
Yeah, where should I
Right.
get, which weight should I get? If I'm going fishing in the ocean, at Galveston? Well, it's not, yeah.
Galveston?
Yeah, Galveston. That's not our ocean, but I mean,
Is that the pole you're gonna be fishing with?
yeah, that's not good. I need another fishing pole. Okay, so help me. 'Cause this
you
isn't
don't
go-
think that's a good one?
No.
No.
So I can't do, I can do something like this. I can only do the push ones. I can't do this. I don't know how to do this one yet. When you like have to push it and hold it, and then I just like push and release. So what's the best one for me to do? I can do one of these. I just need
Where are you going fishing at?
Galveston at, what is it? What is the thing we do? What is it?
It's just the beach. We fish on the beach in Galveston, also Westlake in Humble, big park in Humble.
I mean, that'll be fine unless you hook a bull red.
What's a bowl red? What is that?
It's almost as big as that
Oh,
fish.
if I get that, it's gonna take my whole ride.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay. So what should I get? Or should I just get this one to start with?
Yeah,
Start with this
I
one?
would.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's a good one to start with.
To start with?
That's bad.
Okay, and then once I get good, then I can come back and I gotta ask for you, Mike. So you can help me. I'm gonna say I'm ready to move on to the big leagues. Okay.
I got you.
Okay, so what about gloves? What gloves do I need to get? Or where the gloves at? And do you guys have bait here or no? No?
No, not really.
Oh.
I mean, if you're going to Galveston,
Just stop there on the way?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, I need these. And what else do you think I need?
How long you'll be there?
We're gonna do it like every week for like maybe 5 hours.
I think you're gonna need an ice chest,
Okay.
a lawn chair.
Okay, we got
I
that.
don't know what you have.
I have that. What else we
You
got?
need hooks.
I have hooks, but does it matter what kind?
No.
Just a hook.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so put a hook on there. Can we go get hooks? Just to make sure. I want to make sure I have everything, because last time I just couldn't get it together. Oh, I don't have those type of hooks. Those are big hooks. We just have the small hooks to fish in the lake. This is the ocean hooks.
I'm just thinking about y'all hooking that
To the fish? Yes, I'm ready. Thank you so much. This is everything, right?
Yes.
It's everything I need. Okay, y'all, I got everything. Thank you so much, Mike. I'll be back. What days do you work?
I work part-time.
Oh man, I'm gonna come back and ask for you. I only live down the street. Thank you. So I have my gloves. Y'all look at these big hooks. The hooks we got ain't nowhere near. Those are big.
Yeah, they feel hefty.
Yeah, so I guess when we go to Galveston, we'll have to use these, and if we go to the lake, we have to use the other ones. I got my weight. We're gonna have to sneak because Trina's not gonna. She's gonna be on it. All right, we got this.
All right.
And if a fish get the trying to take my.
Get another one.
I gotta get another one.
You get anything else out of here?
What do you think? I think everything. This is good, right? What else we need?
You already showed them how dope it looks here.
Did I tell them what?
Did you show them?
No, I didn't get to show them everywhere.
Yeah, it looks so
It's
cool.
so nice in here. This is only $50 for this. I feel like I need a better one or something. I think he knew that I needed a better one, but he just was like, he didn't want to tell me that. I'm gonna start with it though. Let's just start with it. Oh, so they got boats in here.
Let's buy a boat.
Oh my gosh, let's buy a boat. Which one would you pick if you had to pick one? Oh my gosh, look at that blue and white one. That's the one I'm getting. How many people can fit on that one though? I don't know. You know, I want everybody on it. I might have to get that one. Look at that Regency.
Oh my God, that looks fire.
That's the one right there. And get it painted.
You know, that'd be fire as hell just to get a boat. You can just go pick your
What?
boat up and go out to the water.
What? That is everything. It's only $101,000. This is so nice. The boat costs more than a car, or about the same as a car. What about this little mini one? I could probably start with this one. Oh yeah, it's $27,000. I can do that.
Wow.
I can do this one. I can start with this one.
We could do this.
Absolutely.
It might tip over going in the water.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. But look at this little cute one right here, a black and white one. This one, the black and white. It's so cute. 31,000, okay.
See, I would be scared to be in something like this and the winds pick up. I don't know.
Oh, if the wind pick up.
That's what I'm saying.
on
Like
us.
these smaller ones, you gotta worry about the wind picking up.
Yeah. But this one's 65,000, but I'd rather just put the 40 and get the other one. But it's still nice right here, the Tahoe. It's a little bit bigger. I don't know, for some reason.
Sound uneducated. These are.
No, they're not. Not at all.
I'm glad you say that.
No, I don't even think they can't fit one of those in here. These are just, you're so silly. No, I think I'll feel more comfortable on this type of boat though, with it being the square and not being so, I don't know. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, this seems looks more sturdy.
Right, it seems like it'll be better.
Sure.
I know these have to be cheap. How much you think these are, the Mercury?
Ooh, they look cheap.
What do you think? What you guessing before we go up on it?
Hold on, I'm gonna say 15K.
I was about to say 13. Okay, let's see. Let's see how much are they.
Damn.
26.
Dang,
That's 19. Oh, maybe this one at the bottom. 19. That's only 7,000.
which one?
That one?
Yeah, we ain't surviving in this.
Yeah, I'm gonna be scared.
Paddle boat. Bruh.
It don't got nothing in there. You see, it even got on there to make sure you got your life jacket on. It's only for 3 people.
No.
So what about this one?
Wow.
It's 127,000. Oh, that's nice too. It doesn't even have the price on that one.
Oh my God, this was 127,000.
Yeah, it's more than the one that I wanted. I wonder how many people can fit on that one.
2 seats driving.
Yeah. Okay. What? Oh yeah, we'll have so much fun.
Oh my! You know, I
wonder-
really want to own one of these one day.
Me too. I want one of those more than these.
Really? I want
a golf cart.
Like,
You want to go on a tractor? This is
called ATV riding.
yeah.
Like through the
this-
muds and stuff.
These are ATVs.
Are these not ATVs?
I mean, I guess they considered it, but usually they have smaller, like they have smaller wheels.
What we need to do. Go to that place.
ATV in?
Yeah,
We'll have fun with that.
We went.
Yeah.
Me, Trina, and Cindy went, but we wasn't doing YouTube then. So like.
Oh, yeah,
But
just
it
have
was
fun.
fun. It was fun.
It was fun. I love ATV riding. Yeah, I want to do that. How much are these? Oh, they only 10,000.
Wait, you would go ATV ride? What would you do with this?
With these? I want these just to ride around my neighborhood.
Oh.
And I actually like this one the best, and it's the cheapest because it's just black.
I see a lot of these camping, RVing.
Oh,
a lot
yeah.
of people travel with these on their big ass RVs.
Oh, yeah, so they can
use
go
it to
drive around. Yeah, they don't have to unplug everything.
Yep.
Okay, I love it. I love it. This place is huge. Bring it back if something happens.
So yeah, basically it covers everything except loss or theft.
So like,
Accidental damage, if the rod or reel breaks.
so what if I'm out and the fish just takes it?
If it takes the whole rod, then
It's
not
over for
covered.
me, huh?
But if it snaps the rod, then that's covered.
Okay, yeah, I'll put that on. Do I have to call a number and stuff afterwards?
No.
Okay.
You would just bring it into Bass Pro or Cabela's.
Okay.
It'll be $79.51.
Okay. And do I keep the receipt or?
No, you don't need it. I'll show you how.
Oh, okay.
So this is the information on the gear guard. The easiest way to do this, starting tomorrow, use your smartphone and scan that. Register it online. Once you register it, you don't need a copy of the receipt.
Okay.
If you ever need to make a claim on it after registering it, just
Okay.
bring it into any Bass Pro or Cabela store, and they'll pull it up by the phone number you registered with.
Okay.
And it basically covers everything except loss or theft.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So, like I said, just get it registered, and then you should be.
I'm
you
good to
bring
go.
it anytime within 2 years.
Okay. Thank you so
Or
much.
bring a piece up anytime.
Oh,
within 2
okay.
years.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Alrighty. I got my stuff, y'all. I'm ready. Okay, y'all. I'm super excited. I can't wait for y'all to see us fishing, and then sometimes I'll be going by myself. But make sure you like, subscribe, hit that follow button, hit that turn on notifications on, do all that stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.